So me Jesus Tab Nation, what's up? I'm doing it solo today, bro. Going into Miami, alright, and I have this interesting public interview that I'm gonna ask, right? I heard that Jamaica is a very popular culture in America, especially in Miami. So I'm very curious and I want to find out how well do those people know about our Jamaican culture. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna ask them, bro, like I'm gonna ask them to give me their best Jamaican lines in patois. So I'm gonna give them some sentences and they have to respond back to me in patois, bro. I'm gonna ask them about Vibes Cartel. Do they know Vibes Cartel? Give me a favorite music line from Vibes Cartel in patois, bro. You know what I mean? Me Jesus, we about to frig it up today, bro. Stay tuned, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, bro. We're gonna f it up. Me Jesus, up it. Give me a best Jamaican speaking. Like, can you talk like Jamaican?
Jamaica, man. Jamaica.
Give me a sentence in Jamaican.
Curry chicken. Where the curry chicken at, man?
XO, my love is very special.
If you can have it, forget it. Me Jesus, me no love man. No. Me Jesus, me no love man. Stop my girl come and diss me. Me Jesus. So we're here with Mona. Me Jesus, Mona.
Bruh.
Sorry. We're here with Robin Hood. All right. So you know Vibes Cartel, right?
Yeah.
So give me one of your favorite lyrics from his song. From that.
XO, my love is very special.
If you can have it, forget it so much. Me Jesus. Okay. This is the question, right?
Bruh.
What? So I say Robin Hood? Can you speak Jamaican?
No.
Have you ever heard a Jamaican speak before?
No.
Well, I'm a Jamaican, so you're lying to me right now. I'm a Jamaican.
Well, I mean, they have an accent, but
Have an accent?
I don't.
Alright, you know Jamaican have a broken English, right?
Oh, is it? I was about to say patois. Yeah.
Patois. Give me a best patois impression.
Jamaica, man.
Okay. You're much better than this last girl. She said Jamaica main. I'm like that was still American girl. Me Jesus, give me your best Jamaican impression.
Me don't know.
Me don't. Say it again.
Me don't know.
Me don't know. Do you know any Jamaican wine like dance or stuff like that? You never been.
Come wine till you broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your back. If you broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your
I got you. Feel the rhythm. Feel the ride. It's boxing time.
Oh, so you guys know about cool runnings? Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, so I want you guys to repeat this, but I'm gonna say it in English, and you guys try and say it in patois. Right? Okay. So I am going on the slope and I am going down the road.
Okay. I'm going down the slope and I'm going down the road.
Say it in patois though, in Jamaica.
I am going down the slope. I am going down the road.
I'm going down the slope. I'm going down the road.
She sound like she's from Wakanda.
Wakanda forever.
It's basically me I go down the slope and me I go down the road. Me I go down the slope and me I go down the road.
Me I go down the slope, me go down the road.
Okay, give me a little twirl for the camera for YouTube. A little twirl for YouTube. No, a little twirl. You have to turn 360. Give me a 360. One in the 360.
No 360.
Alright, I'm gonna give you all a sentence in English and I want you to say it in patois, right? I'm going down the road. I'm going down the road.
Go crazy. Go stupid. Ah!
What I want to ask you, right? Give me a best Jamaican speaking. Like, can you talk like Jamaican?
Jamaica, man. Jamaica.
Give me a sentence in Jamaican.
Curry chicken. Where the curry chicken at, man?
No. No. He wasn't ready. He wasn't ready.
Me a go down the road.
What? Me a good on the road.
Say it again.
Me a good on the road.
Me a go down this. Me. Okay, you. Me a go down the road. No, I ain't gonna laugh. No, I ain't gonna laugh. How much are the teacher?
Me a good or a good?
Me a go down the road.
Me a good on the road.
So I said, like you said.
No, say it like in patois.
Oh.
Me a go down the road.
Oh.
say that?
Me or going down the road.
How about you? I'm going down the road.
Me go down the road.
Say that again?
Go down the road.
Me I go down the road. You can't be when it's talking Jamaican you have to be aggressive. Me I go down the road.
Me go down the road.
Jesus. Give me something more aggressive too.
Me or go down the road.
I'ma make them decide. You the guys decide. Like out of 10, like rate them, okay?
So is it English or is it a different language?
It's broken English. What do you think that means?
I love you.
I'm going down the road. I'm going down the road.
Are you going down the road?
Yep. You mind give me a little twirl, you know what I mean, for YouTube? A little twirl? Yeah, for YouTube. Yeah, meet Jesus. Okay, come on, meet Jesus. You heard how Jamaicans speak before though, right?
Heard, but yeah, I don't really understand.
You don't really understand it?
I can say
Say something, yeah, let me hear it.
I can't say like the actual words. Just like I guess the
Say bumbo clad.
bumble clap,
It's-
bumble clap,
it's-
bumble clap,
it's-
bumble clap, bumble clap.
You just curse. Alright, hey, you mind give me a little twirl for the camera? Okay, alright. So this is the question. This is a quick question, alright? Can any of you guys speak Jamaican?
No.
Like Wagwan.
Yeah,
Wagwan,
EPP.
What?
Wagwan, you want to know how to
you-
speak Fatwa?
Alright, give me a sentence in Jamaican.
I don't speak Jamaican.
You don't speak Jamaican? Okay, for example.
For example,
I am going down the road. How would you say that in Patois?
we go on the road.
You go on the road. I mean that's cool. I'm gonna give that to them. So we're here with like a lot of beautiful people right now from you. You from Texas, right? Texas represented by Texas.
You from Arizona?
From Arizona?
Yeah.
You know they have a juice in Jamaica called Arizona juice, right?
Yeah.
You didn't know it's too late.
No, I'm saying, yeah, I'm listening. Go ahead, keep talking.
Alright, so this is the question, right? Can any one of you guys speak Jamaican?
Jamaica.
Yeah, like
Bye. Wait, no, never mind. Hold on.
Yeah.
I know, bumble clap.
hey,
Booyaka.
alright. I want you to tell me a sentence in Jamaica.
Bumble clap. You bumble clap.
You bumbo clap. Tell me I go lick on your bumbo clap.
Oh, that sounds really bad.
Wait, what you just say?
Me I go lick on your bumbo clap.
Oh,
You know anything in Jamaica?
No, not
You don't know anything in Jamaica?
Hold on, I got Google.
I'm about to say, you know African.
You know what?
You know African.
You know African? Alright, give me something in African. Oh. What you It's a good on the road.
I can't roll it.
Alright, so G, you say you know Vibes Carter, right?
I
One
did,
of your
yeah.
favorite lines of his song.
Yeah, so he say, I'm not, I don't know.
Ready? Yeah, ready, go. So we're here with? So Laura, what do I want to ask you? I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna go off.
Yeah, go slow.
Okay. Okay, what is your stand on a one-night stand? Like, how do you feel about a one-night stand? Yeah, no, like a one-night stand. Like, do you know what a one-night stand is? No. Basically, sleeping with someone for the first time when you first met them.
I usually don't do it.
Oh, you never done it before?
No, I did, of course, but I usually don't do it. But, no.
Well, alright, wait, okay. When you did it, right? Was it good? Yeah. You liked it?
Yes.
Oh, it was doing the do. Okay, I mean, it's cool. You might show them more. Show them more. Let them know what's up.
No.
What's his name? Yeah, no, what's his name? What's the person's name they did a one night stand with? Give him some power out there. You don't know if you enjoy the one night.
I don't remember like.
You don't remember? Okay. But it was a cool experience for you.
Yeah, of course.
Okay. I have another question. Sex is always good. Jesus, I like sex. I like sex too. So I want to ask you a different question. Have you ever sent nudes before?
Nudes?
Mm-hmm.
No.
Never. No one ever asked you before.
No. I prefer like in person and.
Okay, alright, this is it, right? What if I come to you out of the blue, right? My name is Tabizo, and I'm like, yo, Laura. Yes. I like your smile. I like those glasses. I see you from a mile.
Oh my god.
I would like to kiss you on the cheek and have a one night stand with you. Would I get it?
Less time. You have to eat like a lot of these too. I'm sorry.
It's my birthday.
I'm sorry.
All right.
Maybe next time.
Thank you so much. See? All right. Okay then.
All right, we ready, we ready.
It's both of us birthday, so I'm gonna make our dreams come true right now. All right. Yep. You ready? Tell me when you're ready.
Yeah, we ready.
So we're here with Jesus. I like your name, Meek.
Like Meek Mills?
You like
With
Meek
an S.
Mills, exactly.
Yes.
Well, my name is Tabizzle. Okay, nice to meet you, Meek. Come closer to me. It's our birthday.
our birthday.
Yeah, so we're gonna play heads or tails, right? What do you want? Heads or tails?
I want head.
You want heads? Obviously, I'm gonna have to pick tails. So if you get head, we get to kiss for our birthday.
No.
If I
Okay, if I get head, you kiss my cheek.
can